The collaborative robot industry has been changing dramatically over the past 5 years. Before, it seemed like something that was really far away and from the future, and now it's something accessible. I think it's exciting that small to medium-sized businesses will be able to take this robot and put it on its floor.
What separates Cobot Intelligence from other automation companies is our expertise within the field, along with our customer service and after-sales support.
We've been using the Cobot robots for the last 4 or 5 years now. They are cost-effective, they're easy to use.
The Cobot solution was also something that we found quite unique in its footprint, ease of use, and integration.
I think it's the endless possibilities of what collaborative robots can do.
It's a lot of opportunity.
Cobot began because we also saw a need in the market for collaborative robots.
Collaborative robots are truly automation for the everyman. The shops that are smaller than 50 people can deploy this solution.
Right now in the industry, a problem across the board is the ability to find skilled labor.
For employers to invest in a collaborative robot, they're actually investing in their employees for the health and safety factors, for their training, as well as ensuring that employees feel like they're part of the process of manufacturing. We take accountability for our products. We want to make sure that once it goes onto your floor, it works for you in the long run.
We try not to just be a distributor of products, but truly be a solution provider.
We want to make sure that everybody's comfortable with the product and that you in the future will be able to manipulate it to do any type of task that you want it to do.